Here's what you'll need to make this shit. Okay, we've already got our sour cream and cream cheese in the bowl. Then we're going to add the Worcestershire sauce, the dill weed, the garlic powder, and, of course, the pickle juice. Now, pickle juice. What the fuck is it? It's not something you actually have to buy. You know when you buy a jar of pickles and that liquid that's in there? That's pickle juice. Easy. You just got to get it out carefully. Take some out of the jar of pickles. Then you want to turn your mixer on to low and just mix everything up till everything is nice and well incorporated. Okay, and once that's done, unhook your bowl from the mixer, and you want to get a container that has a lid on it. So a Tupperware container works great. Pour everything out and into it. And then you want to leave this in the fridge for at least a couple of hours, but preferably overnight to 2 days in the fridge, just to give the flavors a chance to meld. Now, normally I make dips with chips in mind, but in this instance, crackers are actually preferable, as this is kind of a thicker, heartier dip, and you need something a little tougher than a chip to stand up to it. So, next time you're looking together to put together a kick-ass dip for your holiday party, check this one out.